In this video I'm going to show you how to find location of your Instagram stories. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Instagram application and then hit at your profile picture. Next, tap at menu icon and from here go into archive. There will be your stories archive and these stories by default arranged in chronological order. The first is the oldest and the last is the newest, and there is two more different ways how you can sort your stories. The second way is to hit there at calendar icon, and now all your stories you can find here at that calendar. The next way is to hit there at map icon, and there you can find all your stories that located on map. If you geotagged your stories, they will be displayed right here in different places all over the map, depending on the specific location that you tagged your story. But if you are not tagging your story, usually there is one more simple trick how you can find places on your photo. You can just hop out of Instagram and go into your photos. And now there tap at albums, and here will be different albums, but you have to find people and places. There is one album for people and another for places, and I can just simply tap at that places icon, and now I can see the exact places where I took the specific pictures. Here you see how it works. There are 3 different places where I took those photos. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.